What's the meaning of A P Herbert? A P Herbert. A P Herbert. A P Herbert.
A P Herbert. A P Herbert. A P Herbert refers to a British author and satirist named Alan Patrick Herbert. Born in 1890, he is best known for his humorous writings and plays that often touched on issues of law and politics. He was also a Member of Parliament, serving as an independent MP for Oxford University from 1935 to 1950. Herbert was a prolific writer, producing numerous books and articles throughout his career. His work continues to be studied and appreciated by fans of British humor and satire.